Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Dell G5 5590 laptop. This one is a regulatory model P82f 5100, and in this video I'm gonna go over how you can open it up and how you can remove, upgrade the RAM in this laptop. I made a really short video how you can find out your maximum RAM capacity on your laptop, but in this video I'm just going to show you guys how you can open it up and replace them for demonstration. This one do come with an RTX 2060 with a 6 gig VRAM. The VRAMs on these ones are not upgradable, those are GPU RAMs, but it does come with a 16 gigabyte of the normal DDR4 RAM, I believe, and those are upgradable, and we have upgraded this one to 64 gig with no issue. You can upgrade it too, but this one comes with a 16 gig 2.8, and I'm going to show you guys how to remove those, how to access them. Alright, first thing first, you want to power up the laptop, flip it upside down. You want to grab one tool. I fixed the screwdriver set. I recommend these ones. And we want to grab a Phillips number 1 from this tool set. If you get the Pro set, they will include you with opening tools and tweezers. If not, grab yourself a guitar pick. And metallic guitar picks are really suitable to opening cases and covers. Now, down here on the bottom of the laptop, you're going to see a whole bunch of screws. We are not going to remove all of them. There are two that are not removable, which are at the two back mid. We're going to leave them for now because these two have a little C-lock on them that will prevent them from coming out entirely. So we're going to remove all the screws all around except these two. All the screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about mismatching them. Keep them in one pile. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you found my videos helpful and helping you guys out to do your own upgrade, you can support the channel by clicking the like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It will be a help, great motivation for me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions in the comment area. Alright, once we remove all the screws at the bottom, except these two, now, once we start removing these two screws, and you're going to see a cover pushing away from each other, that's the magic of the C-lock. That's what the C-lock it does. It helps for you to remove the cover easy. So, as soon as I rotate this, the cover just keeps popping out. Once you did a few turns, all you need to do is to grab the cover and pull it backward. And if it's not coming back, because you're missing a little bit of more turn, and then there you go. So pull it back, and there's your cover. All right, and you can see the battery right in here, and the RAMs are right over here. These are little DDR4, DIMM-B, DIMM-A. I'm gonna remove this one for now for demonstration. You can remove, has a little adhesive, but yeah. So there's an 8 gig DDR4 right here and 8 gig DDR4 right over there. To remove them, to remove the RAM, all you need to do, you don't need to remove the battery at all, but if you do want to be paranoid, you can pull this lever upward and the jack will get disconnected from the battery, but you don't need to. To remove the RAM, all you need to do is to pull these two triggers away from each other, and the RAM will pop out in 45-degree angle. All you need to do is to grab it in the same 45-degree angle and pull it backward. Do not pull it upward, otherwise you're going to crack the DIMM or the RAM. Pull it backward. And to put the RAM in, make sure the notch on the RAM matches the notch on the DIMM. So if you try to pull it the other way around, it will simply not go through. So you have to rotate until you find the notch is matching and bring it down in 45-degree all the way towards the DIMM, and then simply push it towards the motherboard. And it will make a soft click, just like that. Same thing with the other one. Pull it away from each other and slide it out and grab a 16 gig and 16 gig so you can have a 32 gig RAM, and you can bring it and push it down here. I believe I said I upgrade to 64. And we have upgrade up to 32 gig. I made a mistake. You can put a 16 gig and 16 gig and it will work just fine. Once you did this, all you need to do is put this power back on in case you removed yours. I put mine crooked. There we have it. Well, if you have disconnected the battery, plug it back in. And the last thing would be to just grab the bottom cover, put it on top, squeeze down the side, and rotate the screws at the back, and it will pull the cover back to itself, and that should be all. Just remember, once you power on the laptop, it might take to 5 to 10 seconds, and it might restart itself like twice, because it's gonna do a RAM check, or it's called a mem check. So don't panic if it takes 5 to 10 seconds for initial boot up. That's for the motherboard that needs to check the RAMs that you installed. I hope you guys liked this video and helped you guys out. If you have any question or request, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm just gonna finish up putting up the bottom screws.